Okay, don't mind me, y'all. I just got up. My room looks like a catastrophe. Everything just needs to be cleaned. Like, my car needs to be cleaned out. I'm probably gonna clean the kitchen and the living room just because I just need a better space. Y'all ever just wake up, like, y'all know how y'all mama wake up on Saturdays and make y'all clean? Y'all ever wake up yourselves and want to clean? Like, that's the point I'm at right now. Yeah, y'all, I'm finna, yeah, this room is finna look completely different. Like, I'm throwing stuff away, everything. So y'all watch that. Because my car is not filthy, it's just used, and I was waiting to film this video. That's why it's like a little bit dirtier than it would be. Like, I was waiting to film a clean my car video, but don't nobody come for me, period. Like salt and ketchup packets and like barbecue sauces. Am I the only one? Am I the weirdo? Yeah, remind me to never ask for freaking salt again. A peppermint, it's trash. Don't know what this crap is, so let's put it at the bottom. My car, and the kitchen. Alright, welcome to my kitchen. This is she. Okay, y'all, my camera, it didn't die, but it was about to die when I was cleaning the kitchen. So I was just like, but my apartment, my area is pretty much clean. So that's it, that's all for today's vlog. Let me know if y'all like these daily vlogs, because I have like, this one was a little bit more boring because I had to get this done, and I wanted to get this done before I started enjoying summer, because it is now officially summer. I took my last exam like Thursday and it's now Sunday, so it is officially the start of summer. I might be taking some online classes, but let's not get into the negativity. But I do have some cuter ones coming where I'm actually going out, going places, being me, being cute, being seen. But I'm about to go order some things for my business, and just some things I need from Amazon. Amazon has slick been like Walmart lately, because it's like one of the only things open. I mean, honestly though, Mississippi is starting to open back up. I ain't going nowhere. So that's it, that's all. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow, see the next vlog. It might be a video, you know. Gotta come back and check. I will see you on my next video.